Filters generally consist of layers of media which work together to trap particles. While letting clean water through, however, over the period of time, the filter media can become encapsulated with organic and inorganic, and the result is the decrease in filter effectiveness. When water turbidity increases or clarity decreases and water flow through the filter slows down, and you quickly start to understand that filters that need to be cleaned more than average can result in huge expenses for utilities in terms of water and electricity. Where water is scarce, because more water is then used to backwash even as much as filter produces in a day, wasting a precious resource, and the time between backwashing sessions or run time decreases as well. The results are slow water treatment filtering systems that end up costing more and more to operate, transportation of new media in addition of disposal of the older media. So this increases the labor cost, this increases the downtime. Problem can be solved through chemical treatment solutions like what we have Effiklean SM. Specifically, the formula to remove matter that encapsulates filter media, all while the filter media remains in place. The water level in filter media is brought up to cover the media, allowing the formula to penetrate deeply into all layers of the media, then starts to break down the organic and inorganic contaminants within the media. The encapsulated media is revived with minimum disruptions. This also removes the scales and organic buildup from the filter walls and other parts of the filter system. So try this. We want you to be successful. Best regards from Justcom Solutions Private Limited.